everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be looking at Tarte 2020 holiday collection. I picked up few beautiful sets from their collection and let's get right into it. So the first thing that I picked up is this beautiful Tarte Shape Tape Shaping Palette. I don't know if it's a part of the holiday collection, but it's new on their website and it is absolutely stunning. I just did a whole video using that palette. If you would like to check it out, I will leave a link down below. This is the palette that I'm currently wearing on my eyes and I love it. Even though it looks very basic, the shades are stunning, really stunning. I love it. This palette retails for 29 Canadian dollars. They actually brought down the price now to 25 Canadian dollars, which is a great value for this palette. The next item that I got is called Warm Winter Wishes Eye Set. Comes packaged in this paper. You get a deluxe size Tarte's gel liner and a deluxe size of Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And that's what the palette looks like on the outside. This is what the palette looks like. Gorgeous 9 shades with a beautiful blush. I will be making a separate video using this palette so you could see how it applies. This palette retails for 38 Canadian dollars. And I believe that it's 30 US dollars. It says 30 right here. The next item that I purchased is this beautiful set. And this is the Blush Authority Amazonian Clay Cheek Wardrobe. You get 3 different compacts in here. Let's open it up and take a look at each one. The cover is a different color on each compact. They're very reflective, so I'm just going to be showing you the cover sideways. This is a purple one. So in the purple one, you get 3 blushes. So that's the first blush. Well, let's take a look at the 3 blushes right here. You have a peachy blush, a more neutral blush, and a pinky mauve blush. Okay, so this one was all blushes. This is a rose gold compact, and this one has a highlighter and 2 blushes. So this is the highlighter and those are the 2 blushes. The gold compact has a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer. I really like this one. I like when you have everything in one palette. When creating a look, this is beautiful. I will be making a separate video where I'm going to be swatching and applying everything, so stay tuned for that. This Blush Authority Cheek Wardrobe retails for 45 Canadian dollars. And the last set that I got is this beautiful box with 3 eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to read the name because it's pretty long. It is called Untitled Get Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Wardrobe. It retails for 64 Canadian and I believe it's 49 US. That's how they're stacked inside, one on top of the other. Really nice. One of them is their famous In Bloom palette, and This is the original one. This is the mini one. Let me show them to you side by side. I don't want to go too much in depth because I will be making a video using every palette, comparing it to the other palette. But if you would like to take a quick peek to see the difference, I'm gonna show it to you. So you could see that the pen sizes are different. There's 12 shades in the larger one. There is 9 shades in the smaller one. So this is a neutral palette, great for every day, very wearable. Let's move on to the next one. And the next one is Palette Little Toasted. So as you know, they have a toasted palette in their regular line. So those are two palettes side by side. I just on their website, it says that out of those 9 shades, 6 are new shades and 3 are their OG shades, OG faves. So that's the ones they have in the other palette. This one is Toasty Bronze colors. Beautiful, beautiful shades. And a new palette that they did not have before is Tarte Little Juicy palette. In this palette, the shades are pink and plum. I love the idea that they created all those palettes. I love this set. Please stay tuned. I will be making videos on everything that I showed today. We will be swatching, applying. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you haven't subscribed, I would love if you would be a part of my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.